what's up? It is Camarria and welcome to my vlog channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look for Valentine's Day. I'm not a pro. This is my first makeup tutorial and I really do not do makeup. I do not. So this is just a mediocre little look you guys can try. And if you guys do try this look out, please make sure to tweet me or Instagram me because I don't use Twitter. Yeah, make sure you guys add me on my social medias. Camarria Hare is my Snapchat. I'll link all my social medias down below. I also do have a main channel where I don't do makeup videos. I actually do random videos. Basically, you guys should definitely go subscribe. Also, if you guys are wondering where this choker is from and this shirt is from, it is from Fashion Nova, not sponsored. Yeah, and also I did get makeup all over myself during this tutorial. This is the look. Hello fellow human beings watching this video. My name is Camarria and welcome to my vlog slash makeup channel. Anyways, I did want to start posting makeup videos on here. Today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look and I do not know how to do makeup, so please do not judge me. I've been really interested in makeup lately, so I thought I would really get into it. I basically restarted my makeup collection and it's very small right now. Most of these products are drugstore, so you can buy them at the drugstore. The Ulta where I went, they didn't have that many shades. They only had 4 concealer shades. I accidentally got the lightest one. It was the darkest one, but it was still too light for me. So I ended up going to Walmart today and getting a new concealer, and I hope it's my shade. I got 2 shades darker than the first one I got. Okay, so my edges are semi quote-unquote laid. Let's start with the eyebrows because that's what I see people start with. Hopefully this one is darker. Well, it is darker, but hopefully it's my shade. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer Corrector. It's in the shade 45 Tan. I find that doing dots for me actually works better, even though I don't know what I'm doing, like I said. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I am using the Echo Tools. You guys cannot see it, I'm sorry. I'm not actually using my camera right now because I'm too lazy to charge it and too lazy to delete stuff. I'm using the Echo Tool angled liner brush. If you guys are wondering, you can get it at Walmart. You gotta start off cheap until you know what you're doing. So I'm gonna be taking this little pointy eyebrow brush and I'm gonna be filling in my eyebrows. These girls just don't care. So okay, this color, that is definitely not brown. Oh my god, is this like red or something? I swear that color was brown. It is a Valentine's Day video, so we're gonna go with red, you know. I used this color right here, and it definitely did not look this red. This looks crazy, but we're gonna continue because we already did it to the first eyebrow. Just continue because once you failed, you gotta continue to fail. That's my motto. For my eyeshadow, I like to use the e.l.f. eyelid primer. So I couldn't find the tape, so this is not gonna be as sharp as I thought. You clean it up with concealer is what you do. This is the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. And this is the Morphe 3502, by the way. So I think I wanna go in with the orange, even though that does not say Valentine's to me. Let me think this through. I'm gonna actually go in with this color right here.
So if you guys want to know what I'm doing here, I'm basically just patting it on my eyelid, if that makes sense. I'm not really doing any real technique.
So we're gonna just blend it out a little bit because that's what I see all the other makeup people do. I'm going with this shade right here. And we're just gonna tap it. Okay, I literally see nothing showing up, but wait, this is what we're working with right now. And then we're gonna just blend it out because that's what they do after everything. You gotta blend everything together. So we're gonna go in with this bright red to brighten things up, but we're gonna put it right here. We're just gonna tap that on there because we want all the shadow to go on there. Tapping away. Tap that booty. I'm just kidding, don't tap the booty. We're gonna go on with this one right here. Can you guys see that one? Right here, because We need to darken this look up. Like, I was trying to go for a really dark look, but that's not really happening right now.
So basically, I'm just taking that really dark brown into my crease and kind of just trying to blend it into the crease, if that makes sense. So I'm putting it in like a forward motion, if that makes sense. And I'm just trying to like really darken that up.
I'm gonna use my Urban Decay setting spray to wet the brush. Okay, I think that's enough. We're not gonna spray too much. Now I want to go in with this glitter right here. So I sprayed it twice and hopefully there's gonna be glitter on it. Now, whatever. Yes, boo. I feel that glitter. Yes, people know what they talking about. I thought that was just crazy how we're gonna try our best to do a really thin line. Okay, so now we're gonna do our eyelashes now. So for my foundation, I use the Maybelline 360 Mocha, and this is the matte plus poreless one. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Porefessional, and it's not a real beauty blender, but it's like a L'Oreal one. We're gonna put on concealer again. We're gonna make sure to highlight and brighten up things. So we're gonna highlight our forehead, and then we're gonna highlight our nose, and we're gonna conceal this and stuff. I really don't know where to highlight, but this is what I think might look okay. Beat your face. Some people beat their face, but I beat my face. Sorry that my blending skills aren't all that. For the blush, I'm gonna be using this Echoes Tool full brush, and we're using the Kylie Cosmetic Press blush powder in the shade Hopeless Romantic. Bring a little color to your cheeks and stuff. Okay, there's like nothing getting on this brush. We're gonna spray the brush again with the Urban Decay. For highlight, I'm using the e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls, and it's literally like $4. I like to do it right there. I wanted to do a dark tutorial and it did not turn out dark at all. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. You can use any lip color, to be honest, but for my lip color, I'm going to be using this one that I got from a local hair store. I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to be trying to brighten up my eye. I think that just ruined the look. I look crazy. Definitely shouldn't have done that. That was not a part of the step. We're gonna take this orange that we started with, and we're gonna take that and put it underneath our eye. Now we're gonna put on the mascara on our bottom lash. A very scary thing. Now we're gonna set everything. I said I was gonna clean that up, but y'all can clean that up. Y'all probably know what y'all doing. I don't. It's this one by Urban Decay, and we're gonna set our face like that. This is my first time doing a full face of makeup, so keep that in mind. Not a look, Camarria, not a look. So I think it turned out pretty good for this to be my first makeup tutorial, even though it's not the best, of course, because it's my first makeup tutorial and stuff.